Yes, still on a South Shore wander. Right next to the sea, obviously. Oh, hang on a minute. Get that right, there you go. Might be able to see something now. Hope everyone's well and doing well and staying safe. We've got another walk along the sea for you. I've no idea when this is going on because I've done about 3 or 4 a day. That last one just went off quick, by the way, if you're wondering what happened. I must have pressed a button or something. And it's only like a 5-minute one. It's a nice little walk along in the sun, which I know a lot like. So, see where we are. There's a Lindeen just opposite. Lindeen Hotel, nearly closed last year before. I get mixed up with lockdowns and this, that and the other. It's been a cracking day again today. And I haven't put a big jacket on neither. So a bit more comfortable. There's a bit of a breeze, but it's not bad. Not bad at all. The kids before, oh, nearly got that little girl then. Loads of dog walkers and that out. Let's go down here again. I know in comments from the previous video a lot saying, oh, I wish you could be there, biker. So I expect this is the next best thing for you, innit? I hope these have been alright. Just a little wander in the sun. Why not? My arm's getting heavy now. Let's show you over the other side of the prom. But yeah, it's been such a nice weekend this weekend. You can see from here they've not got the big wheel back up yet. Still getting maintenance and that done to it. I'm not exactly sure when it's meant to be back, if it's going to be Easter or, you know, for high season. Normally in Blackpool everyone wants things done for Easter, but we'll see. Anyone knows, let me know. Work together. Let's go up here a second. Watch them steps, biker. Got to try and hold the phone in. We negotiated that. We did it. We're at the treatment plant here, by the way. Manchester just over the road there. For those that don't know, that's where Blackpool gets its name from. Not the Manchester. I'll tell you in a sec. So what it was, there used to be a stream that came down from the moors, from the Martin Moor and what have you. This is just for the new ones, obviously, that's joined recently. So it literally come down, so the saying is, trickle all the way through from Martin, the stream, all the way down, past the Manchester. Don't forget Manchester, and the Foxhall, one of the oldest pubs, buildings. Come down, and it literally, the stream would meet the sea just about where we stood here, and there's the sea, obviously. But the stream, with it going through Martin and the moss and all that sort of thing, would be discoloured. It'd be black. And by the time it got here, it went into a pool, into the sea. That's where you get Black Pool from. See? Those that didn't know, I have said many times before. I've had a right walk today. Just did that before on Yates's shut in the South Shore Yates's. You can see how nice it is though. Look at that. There's one or two fluffy clouds. Yes, Keith, I did say fluffy clouds. Fluffy bike, fluffy clouds. The bike is getting a bit fluffy. Looking over there towards South Pier and the Pleasure Beach, the big one. I'm just going to wander around the corner, show you this, and then, yeah, this is all the treatment centre here, like I said. All this has been recent. Yeah, it's not fixed yet, is it? I think it was last year I showed this. Well, they've had this done by now, to be fair. Hang on, hold it with two hands again, back at the phone, nice. Oh, you made me laugh. Right. So, Royal Sea Bank there, over the road. Yeah, look, still not got this fixed. Do you remember last year I was showing this? It must be a bigger job than it looks, must be. Yeah, it could well be actually. Bigger job than it looks. Now, show you down here once more, then we'll call it quits. Cause I think I've got about 5 videos that need to go on now, and I've put 2 on today, 2 on yesterday. That sun's glistening off the sea there, isn't it? And it just... There's a little bit of a breeze, but it's nice now. There's people in t-shirts and everything now. I've just got a little, like a tracky jacket on. You know what I mean? Better than yesterday. Big jacket on it was same as this. Right, anyway, from outside the treatment centre. Stop making me laugh. Oh, you're so funny, biker. From outside the treatment centre, in between Central and South Piers. Thanks to everyone that's liked and subscribed. If you haven't as yet, please do so. Most of all, stay safe. You know what it is. Have a cracking day.